What's up guys, Ziovo here and welcome to a brand new video on the channel. Now this is a little bit of a random video, but as soon as I found out about this, I thought that I had to share it with you guys. And so recently there's been this extension called Netflix Party that's been blowing up because everyone's been at home, and basically with Netflix Party, you can sync Netflix shows and movies with your friends through a Chrome extension and watch it at the same time as them. And I actually found a version like this, but it's for YouTube called DiscussionBar. So I wanted to show you guys how you can actually sync YouTube videos with your friends and watch them at the same time. I've linked it down below so you can try it out as well. So with that being said, let's get started. So all you want to do is go on the Chrome extension store and look for DiscussionBar. It's one word and it's a completely free extension. And then you want to click add to Chrome and add the extension. And once you do this and you go back to YouTube, DiscussionBar is going to show up on the side. And so once it shows up on the side, all you have to do is log in with your Google account. And once you log in, you're going to be brought to the DiscussionBar homepage. Within DiscussionBar, you can do a few things. For example, they also have chat rooms that you can join, or you can make your own chat rooms with your friends. You can also see your notifications. And then if you want to add somebody, you go to the very first tab and you look for their Gmail or Google name. And then you click the friend button to send them a request. Now, I already got a friend request from this person, so to accept a friend request, you just have to go into your notifications and click on the check mark, and you should be good to go. So once you and your friend have both downloaded DiscussionBar and added each other as friends, the application will automatically sync with YouTube videos you're watching, and you can see in the chat room or in the friends tab what your friend is watching. And once you click on the video, it will automatically sync with them. So my friend, he chose a pretty good video, I'm not gonna lie, but as you can see, I clicked on the thumbnail and I can see the video that they're watching, and we're watching it at the exact same time. And I can also go back into the chat room and type up any messages and talk to my friend. And if I check off post to YouTube comments, then those comments will automatically be posted to the YouTube video as well. Now, say I was watching a video and I wanted to sync it with my friend. All I have to do is automatically start watching the video, and my friend will see it in his friends tab where there'll be a thumbnail that he can click on. But what's even cooler is that I can go to the SketchPad and I can draw random things. I can type anything I want, and then I can click the share button on the bottom and it'll share a screenshot of what I sent. And my friend also has the option of syncing with me and watching the rest of the video with me. So I thought this was really cool. If you're someone who's at home watching a lot of YouTube videos and you're sharing them with your friends, I thought this plugin would make your life a little bit easier as well as more fun. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And as always, thanks for watching. My name is Ziovo and I'm signing out.